Stop right there. If you own a Shopify store or you're planning to launch one soon, there are 10 things on your website right now that could absolutely killing your sales. And the scary part, most people don't even realize they are doing this. These are mistakes that push customers away, lower your conversions, and make your store look unprofessional. But here is a good news. You can fix them immediately. And if you stick with me in the end, I'll share a bonus hack that will keep people engaged and actually help you increase your sales. Hi, my name is Sakib and welcome to Ecomclips. We help brands around the world grow their Shopify business who want to succeed in this space. We have spent years helping brands optimize their store, and I can tell you, if you remove these 10 things, you will see an instant improve in your store's performance. Number 1, social media icons in the wrong place. The first mistake is putting your social media icons right at the top of your site. Sounds harmless, right? Wrong. Because when customers click those icons, they are gone off to Instagram or TikTok, never to return. Instead, place your social media links in the footer. That way, you will still promote your brand on social media platform, but you don't distract your shoppers before they even see your products. Keep them focused on buying fast then connecting later. Number 2, too many pop-ups. Pop-ups can be powerful. They help capture emails, offer discounts, and verify age. But too many pop-ups, that is a disaster. Shoppers don't want to be bombarded by the second they land on your site. Limit yourself to 2 to 3 well-timed pop-ups. For example, an email capture on the homepage, a discount offer after 30 or 20 seconds on a product page, or an exit intent pop-up in the cart. That's it. Keep it simple and strategic. Number 3, intrusive live chat. Live chat is a great tool when it's done right, but if it's constantly pinging, flashing, or interrupting the shopping experience, it feels like that annoying paperclip assistant from the old Windows days. Instead, keep your live chat tucked nearly in the corner. Let customers open it if and when they need help. This creates a sense of support without being intrusive, which makes people more comfortable completing their purchase. Number 4, old and useless apps. This one is a hidden killer. Every app you install on Shopify affects your site speed. And a slow website means lost sales. So audit your apps regularly. If an app does not directly improve your conversions or enhance customer experience, remove it. Think of it like cleaning your junk drawer. If you're not using it, it's just slowing you down. Number 5, flashy animations. Here is another common mistake. Filling your site with flashy animations. I know they look cool, but here is a truth. Customers don't care. What they do care about is speed and clarity. Animations often slow your site down and distract from the actual products you are trying to sell. Stick to clean design and only use subtle effects when they actually guide the customer towards taking actions, like clicking a button. Number 6, bad fonts and colors. Your Shopify store should be easy to read and easy on the eyes. Complicated fonts or neon rainbow color schemes might seem creative, but in reality, they make your site look unprofessional. Stick to clean, reliable fonts and choose 2-3 complementary colors. This makes your store look polished, trustworthy, and pleasant to shop in. Number 7, random product recommendations. We have all seen it. Those you may also like sections that recommended random products that have nothing to do with what you are shopping for. That doesn't just fail to convert, it confuses people. Instead, make your product recommendations personalized and relevant. Number 8, complicated navigation menus. Your navigation menu is like a roadmap. If it's cluttered and confusing, customers will get lost and leave. Keep your menu simple and intuitive. Categories should be clean and products should be easy to find in 2-3 clicks. A well-organized navigation keeps people exploring your store instead of clicking away in frustrations. Number 9, stock images everywhere. This one is the biggest trust killer. If your store is filled with stock photos that anyone can download, it screams generic and even scammy. Use real product photo whenever possible. Show your product from multiple angles. Add lifestyle photos with real people. And if you are comfortable, put yourself in the brand. It builds authenticity and trust. Original photos instantly make your store more credible. Number 10. Complicated checkout processes. Finally, let's talk about checkout. Nothing kills a sales faster than a long, complicated checkout process. Always offer guest checkouts, make forms short and easy to fill out. Offer multiple payment methods, credit card, PayPal, digital wallets, so customer can pay however they prefer, and clearly display your shipping cost and timeline right up front. Transparency reduce cart abandonment and boost conversions. Before I wrap up, here is that bonus hack that I promised you. Somewhere around 70% of the way through your videos. So if you are still not offering 7 subscribe offer for your return customers, start doing that. Give some discount or coupon emails that will definitely make your return buyers. So those are the 10 things you need to remove from your Shopify website immediately. If you want to increase sales, improve customer trust and make your store stand out. If you would like professional help, optimize your Shopify store, or you're just getting started and want the right guidance, email us at info@ecomclips.com. At Ecomclips, we work with e-commerce brands worldwide. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Peace.